Veterinary services gives you so many different venues that you can progress professionally and personally. And I don't regret for a moment the fact that I made that decision.
Feeding a lot of people in the world, and then we're trying to prevent the disease from establishing in the Western Hemisphere really makes me feel extremely excited and appreciated in working with veterinary services.
I take great pride in protecting America's agriculture.
Looking for a position where you can make a difference? Join our Veterinary Services Program headquarters in Riverdale, Maryland, and make an impact on the health of our country's animal agriculture. We are seeking the best and the brightest to work on issues of truly global importance. Diverse positions are available for highly qualified, technically advanced, and field-experienced professionals seeking a career that offers challenge and fulfillment.
I think APHIS Veterinary Services is probably one of the best agencies to work for. A lot of the reasons that I gave you is the interesting work that we do, the importance of the work that we do. Especially at headquarters, you're really making policy and you're really affecting change nationally and internationally.
Veterinary services professionals are responsible for safeguarding animal agriculture in the United States.
You know, we are on the cutting edge of many regulations and international issues, and so it can get a little intense, but that to me is the fun part, because we are in the cutting edge of international health, animal and plant issues, and so that to me is very cool.
I think this job is special because it's one of those jobs where it's nice to know that you're helping an industry that you believe in, and I believe in what we do.
Using the one medicine approach between human and veterinary medicine, the VS mission is to protect and improve the health, quality, and marketability of our nation's animals, animal products, and veterinary biologics by preventing, controlling, and/or eliminating animal diseases, and by monitoring and promoting animal health and productivity.
In veterinary services, it makes me feel extremely good and appreciated that some of the efforts in terms of the policies and programs that we develop for avian influenza, how that improves the marketability of American poultry and poultry products in the entire world.
A career in public veterinary health affords you the opportunity to make a lasting impact on the health of major animal populations. The Veterinary Services Program practices preventative veterinary medicine on a broad scale, dealing with animal health problems ranging from the state and regional level to issues of national and global importance. Veterinary Services headquarters staff manage disease eradication, surveillance, and quality assurance certification programs, respond to crucial U.S. animal health issues, negotiate technical trade agreements, establish import rules, and protect U.S. exports, and contribute to policymaking on veterinary public health issues.
I like living in this area because you have the best of everything. You have the mountains that are 3 hours one way, the ocean that's 3 hours the other way. It's a perfect location.
Being in the DC area represents a whole different set of opportunities for your personal development. It's not all work related. In the DC area, there's a lot of opportunities, especially if you like museums, if you like the arts. You have Kennedy Center.
I enjoy having the credit union right here in the building. There is a gym here that I attend and am a member of, so it's convenient for me. And it's a very good fit.
Based in Riverdale, Maryland, our headquarters is right outside Washington, D.C., in close proximity to such important research centers as the ARS headquarters in Beltsville and the University of Maryland. D.C. is a vibrant, accessible, and world-class city steeped in history. Wonderful attractions and cultural events for all ages and interests. Close to beaches, mountains, Baltimore, and Virginia. And the choice is yours. You can live close in and take advantage of mass transit subsidies, or live in D.C. and Virginia.
I live in an area where I can walk to supermarkets, I can walk to metro stations, I can walk to work. and you really can't beat that.
You do have a lot of natural resources around us. We've got the Chesapeake Bay right here at your fingertips. You've got an extremely lush and forested area with lots of hiking opportunities and boating. So it really has a lot to offer.
I have a child and I just put her in all kinds of things, lots of activities. There's you know, we go down to the mall, they have field trips all the time, just a lot of community activities that you can get involved in.
They also have parks right around here, and so on lunch, I a lot of times will go running.
I do drive because I'm not that far from work, and that was a very, very big factor for me.
Veterinary services employees enjoy a career that has growth potential, competitive salary, an innovative work environment, and travel opportunities.
Family is priority number one, and when you have any needs or family-related issues, you know, you have no problem whatsoever.
Quality of life is an important career consideration, and at VS we have TSP, MaxiFlex, and FlexiPlace programs for employees. Exceptional healthcare benefits are further enhanced by the Ezra Fitness Center and on-site childcare at Sunny Days Learning Center.
People that are considering taking a position with veterinary services is that it's very family oriented. As a working mom, it's really, really comforting. I really love this.
The people that we work with make it a good place to come to work. You have a great group of people and everybody realizes it, and you're a family here.
We are recruiting professionals with the best credentials and experience.
There are different career paths. You can follow the administrative line. You can follow just a purely technical piece. If you prefer to be in a laboratory environment, there's room for epidemiologists, statisticians. There's a lot.
Field training, experience, and analytical and problem-solving abilities. It's an exciting, rewarding career.
The interesting thing in this building is that you see colleagues from representing every continent in the world, and to be working with colleagues from all over the world has been fulfilling in my profession.
Those individuals that are thinking about making VS their next move career-wise, I think VS would be a great place for them. I would recommend certainly coming to work here. It's a wonderful environment. It's a great program with great people.
You know, you really feel as though you make a difference in trying to protect animals. I mean, that's really why we're all here, and I think people remember that and they believe that.
Within veterinary services, we have a variety of professions, and we all come together to achieve the VS mission. So everyone does their part to make it happen.
Make an impact. Make a difference. Make your move to Veterinary Services Headquarters. To learn more about careers with VS Headquarters, visit us on the web